Generative AI transformation is inevitable, and the cybersecurity solutions are skills to provide modern solutions for AI adoption. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The integration of generative AI into various sectors is indeed inevitable, and it brings both immense opportunities and significant risks. The transformation involves not just adopting AI technologies but also rethinking how we secure data and systems in this new landscape. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot are revolutionizing how businesses operate, from automating content creation to enhancing decision making processes. These tools offer unprecedented efficiencies but also introduce new vulnerabilities. Generative AI is driving innovation by allowing businesses to explore new possibilities, automate complex tasks, and enhance customer interactions. However, this also means that sensitive data is being processed by AI systems, which could be exploited if not properly secured. Secondly, AI systems require large datasets to function effectively. This increases the risk of data breaches as these systems often process and store sensitive information. Generative AI models are susceptible to adversarial attacks, where malicious actors manipulate the input data to produce harmful outputs or gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. At the same time, there is also the risk of model inversion attacks, where attackers can extract sensitive data from the AI model itself, potentially compromising the confidentiality of the information it was trained on. Going forward, there is a need for AI driven security solutions that can adapt and respond to threats in real time, just as AI systems themselves do. Implementing a zero trust security model where no entity inside or outside the network is trusted by default is crucial. This involves continuous verification of all users and devices trying to access resources. Generative AI is reshaping industries, but with this adoption comes the urgent need for scalable cybersecurity solutions. By leveraging AI driven security technologies, adopting zero trust architectures, and ensuring robust governance, organizations can securely embrace the benefits of generative AI while mitigating its associated risks. Let's look into today's headlines. YouTube is testing a brand new sleep timer function for subscribers. A feature that YouTube is testing called Sleep Timer pauses video playback after a predetermined amount of time, making it perfect for viewers who nod off. The platform is also experimenting with an AI tool that uses language inputs to create video thumbnails, titles, and outlines. Both features are undergoing testing, and user feedback will determine when they are released in the future. Instagram users can now publish a single post with up to 20 images or videos. Instagram users may now submit up to 20 images and videos to their profiles in a single grid carousel post, the company stated. Instagram changed this cap to 20 images or videos from the previous 10. Now, this service is available to all users worldwide, including those in India. According to a statement, the update comes just in time for end of summer photo dumps as people look for easier ways to express themselves on Instagram and share more fun content with their friends. AMD Sync Close vulnerability makes it possible to install almost undetectable malware. AMD is alerting users to Sync Close, a high severity CPU vulnerability that affects certain EPYC, Ryzen, and Threadripper chip generations. The Sync Close flaw allows attackers with kernel level access, Ring O, to modify system management mode settings even when SMM lock is enabled. This flaw could be used to turn off security features and plant persistent virtually undetectable malware on a device. Gaming Network Stan in India reaches 12 million downloads. The gaming community network STAN in India achieved 12 million downloads and more than 2 million new users joined in June 2024 alone. The growth that is equivalent to half of Twitch's and fifth of Discord's global growth during the same time period. The Indian gaming network is now seen as a significant player in the gaming industry. Amid a rise in cybercrimes, the UN approves the first global cybercrime treaty. In a historic decision, the UN adopted the first ever cybercrime convention, paving the way for international collaboration against cybercrime. The purpose of this treaty is to improve international cooperation on the exchange of digital evidence and to create a worldwide legal framework for combating cybercrime. The accord has caused controversy, though, as digital companies and human rights organizations have warned of possible threats to free expression and privacy. We are happy to celebrate 25 years of accomplishment today. Our annual day celebration is a momentous occasion that not only underscores our achievements but also provides a platform to express sincere gratitude to everyone who has contributed to our journey. Let's celebrate this 25 years milestone together. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.